the 2010 Chevrolet Corvette. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission. Find your way easily with the included navigation system. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. Heated seats comfort you on cold winter days. He's always hot and she's always cold. Solve this problem while driving with dual temperature controls. Let the outside in with a built-in sunroof. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.